Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In the Coinbase mobile application, you can make adjustments to your display appearance in order to fit your viewing preferences. In today's video, I'm using my iPhone. You can also do this on your Android phone. The process is much more similar, so simply follow the steps. Open up your Coinbase application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into it. From the main homepage of Coinbase, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. This will bring up an expanded pop-up menu. In order to change your display settings, go to the Profile and Settings button at the top right under your name. This will open up your profile. Scroll a bit down and under Display, tap on Appearance. Select the theme that you'd like to use from the options displayed. If you use the device's default settings, then you'll be able to see this white background on your appearance. You can also change it to dark mode by tapping on dark at the bottom, and that is how you can easily enable the dark mode on your Coinbase application. The dark mode is easy for your eyes and looks much more attractive. It also preserves your battery life and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.